Do you want people to like you, listen to you, respect your opinions? Most people try to win arguments, but this book teaches you how to win people. Today, we're breaking down one of the most powerful self-development books ever written. About the book. First published in 1936, this book is still changing lives today. It teaches simple but powerful principles about building strong relationships, improving communication, influencing people the right way. This is not about manipulation. It's about understanding human nature. Key lessons from the book. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism makes people defensive. Instead of pointing out mistakes, try to understand their perspective. People change faster when they feel respected, not attacked. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone wants to feel important. Not fake praise, not flattery, but genuine appreciation. When you recognize someone's effort, you build trust instantly. Become genuinely interested in other people. If you want people to like you, be interested in them. Ask questions. Listen carefully. Remember their names. A person's name is the sweetest sound to them. Smile. It's powerful. A simple smile can change the entire mood of a conversation. It shows warmth. It builds comfort. It makes you approachable. Avoid arguments. You can win an argument and still lose the relationship. The only way to truly win an argument is to avoid it. Focus on understanding, not proving yourself right. Admit when you're wrong. If you're wrong, admit it quickly and sincerely. It shows confidence, not weakness. People respect honesty. Make others feel important. This is the core principle of the entire book. Make people feel valued, because they are. When people feel important around you, they naturally support you. Why this book is so powerful. Simple language, real-life examples, practical advice, easy to apply immediately, useful in business, friendships, and family life. This book teaches emotional intelligence long before it became popular. Final message. Influence is not about control. It's about connection. If you want better relationships, start by becoming a better listener. And remember, people may forget your words, but they will never forget how you made them feel.